is Kim, so I'm going to read Go Dog Go. So let's read it. A dog. A dog. A dog, big dog, little dog. So a little dog is right here, and he's trying to pull the big dog because it's not even that heavy. Big dogs and little dogs, black and white dogs. Hello, hello. Do you like my hat? I do not. Goodbye, goodbye. One little dog going in. Three big dogs going out. A red dog on a blue tree. A blue dog on a red tree. A green dog on a yellow tree. Some big dogs and some little dogs going around in cars. A dog out of a car. Two big dogs going up, one little dog going down. A green dog going up is up, the yellow dog is down. The blue dog is in, the red dog is out. One dog up on the house. Three dogs down in the water. A green dog over a tree. A yellow dog under a tree. Two dogs in a house, on a boat, in the water. A dog over the water. A dog under the water. Hello again. Hello. Do you like my hat? I do not like it. Goodbye again. Goodbye. The dogs are all going around and around and around. Go around again. The sun is up. The sun is yellow. The yellow sun is over the house. It is hot out here in the sun. It is not hot here under a house. Now it is night. Three dogs at a party on a boat at night. Dog at work, dogs work. Dogs at play, dogs play. Hello again, hello. Do you like my hat? I do not like that hat. Goodbye again, goodbye. Dogs and cars going, oh no. What is this? Family.
Again.
Going away fast. Look at, what is this, family?
Look at those dogs.
Look at those dogs go and go, dogs go. Oh no, guys, look. Mom, look. What's happening, Mom?
What's happening?
A green chicken is crossing the road and not stopping because the light is green. Stop, dog, stop. The light is red now. Go, dogs, go. The light is green now. Two dogs at play up on top. Go down, dogs. Do not play up there. Go down. Now it is night. Night is not a time for play. It is time for sleep. The dogs go to sleep. They will sleep all night. Now is day. The sun is up. Now it's the time for all dogs to get up. Get up! It is daytime to get Going, go dogs go. There they go. Look at, what is this, family?
Those.
Those dogs go where?
Why?
Why are they going first?
Fast.
In the cars. Those cars. What are they going to do? Where are they?
Those.
Dogs going. Look where they are going. They are all going to that big tree over there. Now the dogs stop. Now all the dogs.
Now, not the dog.
Oh, now the dogs.
No.
Now the cars stop. Now all the dogs get out, and now look where
Those.
dogs are going. To the tree. No, to the tree. To go. No, to the tree. Up the tree. Up the tree. Up they go to the top of the tree.
Why?
Why will they work there? Well, no, will they work there? Will they play there? What is up there on top of the tree?
That tree.
That tree. Well, get a pass one, Mommy.
I don't think so.
Yep, you're right. A dog party, a big dogs party. Big dogs, little dogs, red dogs, blue dogs, yellow dogs, green dogs, black dogs, and white dogs all at a dog party. What? A dog party. Hello again. And now, do you like my hat? I do want a hat. I like it. I like that party hat. Goodbye. That's all I'm going to read. Bye, guys. I wish you have a good day.